Guys, this is a game here that you can nuke the Bee Swarm map. So on it here it says, please nuke the Bee Swarm simulator map. Why? Now we've got that guy. Big buff on it. Petal wand. Then we've got this guy, I think is the creator, saying simple, just press the bear to start. That's the bear that will destroy the whole map. If we look at it, look at the sky. The sky is great. Look at the mushroom. Now, this is the old Bee Swarm as well. Because if you look, if you go over to where, look at this sunflower field. Look, it didn't have the market like thing. But yeah, now let's nuke the Bee Swarm simulator map. Okay. Right, 3, 2, 1. Why is it not? Look at there we go. Oh my god, I've never played this as well. Oh no. Wait, where'd it go? Oh my god. Why is that so loud? Oh, I can already see things are dropping. Oh my god. What the hell? I can see myself. Hello. 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 I can see myself. Whoa. What is happening? Yes, I'm doing it on my phone. You can see a buff on it over there. Right. Okay, right. I'm gonna have to leave this. It is too loud. That is too loud. I might do another video seeing what happened in the afters, or just look at another video. But yeah, that's it. This is the thing. Beast must nuke the Beast Swarm Simulator map. 60 likes. Well, 60% of likes. It's a very cool thing. So thanks, he actually played this as well. If you guys like that, like and subscribe if you want it.